Today's primary job is getting the main topmast lifted onto the ship, standing upright and raised enough that we can install the topmast cap and start installing the cross trees. First priority, safety. We are going to just be mindful of everyone, make sure everyone around you is safe and is also looking after themselves. We're going to be lifting the topmast onto the ship heel first, so the heel will end up in the port side scupper. Once we have the heel in the scupper and the upper end resting on the starboard side rail, we'll then reset our lifting gear to pull the mast up to vertical, and then we'll poke it through the tops. Once it's fully vertical and the heel is sitting on the deck in front of the main mast, we'll be resetting our gear once again so we can do the vertical lifting, so we can lift it up to position for our climbers to start installing gear.
Right side.
So you guys walk around.
Yeah.
All right, here.
That's it. Let it come back this way.
Please. Rotate hard, please, Tim. Before you go down,
Just you.
I remember doing this thing. Hold there, make fast.
Yeah, mate, fast.
Thank you. Captain team, ease away slow.
There's a lot faster in the system.
A lot faster communication.
Yeah, why
Yeah.
is that so?
Yeah, there'll be jam. I want it to just come down. I do want that down. Yeah. So the weight should be coming off your forklift now, Tim. All right, can we have a mat under here, please? Yeah.
Underwater his foot.
All right, stop. Well, tilt forward. All right, a couple of people just. All right. Yep, go.
Easy. Just down.
And hold.
Hold on the red line.
Falling on red eye.
1 metre.
Falling 1 metre right.
Stop. Hold it there.
Hold it. Off the red eye.
Rightio, capstan, haul away. Alright, make fast. Alright, that's good, hold there. Take a turn. That's good. Just hold. You've got to turn on, so we're right. Captain team, bars out. Right, stop, make fast.
The red line coming down.
I can look at coloured lines.
We need you to ease.
Hang on. I could just lift this from here if you want.
Radio, hold weight low.
There you
It'd be heavy as anything, but it should go on easier.
go. Hey.
This one's heavy as anything, but it should go on easier.
All the way. Both lines. Together, please.
Yeah, the way up is the way to go on, boys.